Hello, my name is Charlie James from PureTech Security, and following on from my last video when I went through the Splice camera from Dahua, we have now got the TiOC Duo. So this has got the 3-in-1 technology built into it. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So once you break the security seal and open up the box, you've got your trusty template. You've got your fixing instructions and guides. You've also got a bag of accessories. So you've got your RG45 sealing kit there to make it weatherproof. You also have your fixing accessories there and your trusty Allen key. So straight away, the weight of this, very full metal, good quality. You can feel the quality just in the weight of it. So as I take it out of this protective bag. Okay, so what have we got here? So this is the two lenses that we have on here. So these are both 4 megapixel each, giving you a 4K once it's spliced together. We've now got an extra set of LEDs on here. We've now got the red and blue LEDs and also the trusty speaker on there, which we have 11 pre-recorded messages on here, but you can also upload your own custom messages as well. Behind this trapdoor here, we can also put an SD card in there. So if the hard drive on the recorder ever failed, the recording would automatically go to the SD card. And once the hard drive has been resolved, it will then transfer all the footage back to the main hard drive. So looking at this, we have our dual illuminators. So what that means is when it gets dark, instead of the warm light coming on straight away, if there is no activity within the scene, it will go to IR, black and white, until it sees a human or a vehicle, whichever you've told it to look for. Once that comes into its scene, it will then go full colour. Now, if it's dark, the warm light will come on. If it's just a nice light evening, the illuminator may not come on. Once the threat or that's gone, so the human's moved out the way or the vehicle's moved out the way, it will then go back to IR when it sees a plain scene again. So you're not troubled with that white light being on all the time. It only comes on when it needs to. So let's go and install it and see what it's like. So this time we've gone with an intrusion area. As you can see, I've covered the whole of the loading bay. As I walked in, we got an immediate trigger. As you can see, I'm walking through the intrusion area, being tracked. I've got it to detect both ways. So as I leave the area, as you can see, it's also triggered once more. This is a nighttime view, just showing you how clear, and the clarity from the camera is absolutely amazing. And the top right there, you can actually see the footage from my mobile phone. You can see how dark it is. Bear in mind, mobile phones these days are very good at night. You can still see quite clearly, but look at the difference in quality. Absolutely outstanding.